picking up on it. Earlier I did a show. I'm like, yeah, most little baby birds don't make it. There's a little dead baby bird right outside my house in the pathway to the backyard. And I didn't put any bird seed out today. There goes the fly. Yeah, because I only have a little left and I don't have, it doesn't matter. But the little birdie didn't make it. All the babies died. See? The brackets, big. Oh. You guys are so negative. And all I care about is the baby birdies. No. Oh, well, at least the flies have a meal. Okay, guys. The cycle of life. Oh, it's such a hard world out there, baby birdie. Rest in peace, baby birdie. It's been real. I guess I'll put the rest of the bird seed that I have. I'll put it out when I get back. Oh, it's so sad.